Lung 7 is located just above your wrist on the thumb side. To find lung 7, locate your wrist crease right over here, and then find the spot that is just under your thumb right over here. Now find the point that is the width of 2 fingers below that, just about here. Push in to find a point that is sensitive, sore, tender, or painful. That is lung 7. Activate lung 7 by rubbing the area quickly 5 times. Take a break for a count of 5 and repeat 4 more times. It might look like this. Or if you have a Tei Shin, gently use it like this.